Okay, I didn't want to do this no more, but I couldn't help myself. It's New Year, brand new year, so I thought, well, uh, you know, I'm getting old. I'm already past the average according to King David, which is 70. Already past that, so I went out and bought me a tombstone. Because, when you're 70, you can't have many years left. Young people don't even think of that. So I went and bought me a tombstone, a double for Martha and I. And I got to thinking about it. I thought, well, that's only the beginning, not the end, because that's not the end. When they put you in that ground, that ain't the end. So I had to write this song. So here it is. My last song again. It's going to be upbeat and lively and happy because that's the way, when life is just beginning, that's the way it is. Oh, that grave hide haunts me and longs for when they lay me down. No, that grave you can't hold me when Jesus opens up that ground. No, that grave you can't hold me when they lay in that ground. Jesus will come in the cloud when I hear the trumpet sound. When Gabriel blows his trumpet, Lord and earth shaking his sound, Jesus will come in those clouds when I hear the trumpet sound. Oh, I hear the grave calling, and all's too late in that ground. Jesus, then he will call me, then you know I'm heaven bound. When Gabriel blows that trumpet, Lord and earth shaking sound, Jesus will come in those clouds when I hear the trumpet sound. All right, they're going to be a happy, good time.